Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 15 how to delete an IG story highlight on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you will need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application, and now we can click the application itself. Make sure we are signed into the account. And in the previous tutorial, we showed you how to create an IG story highlight. And so here is the story highlight on screen, a couple of photos. In order to delete the story highlight that we created, press down on the story highlight, and now we have four options: delete the highlight, edit, send to, copy. We will click on delete. Yes, delete the highlight, and the story highlight is no longer available, deleted and gone. Go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.